So let's do the practice assignment. First thing, we're going to transfer the data to an SPSS file. So open up SPSS, and you're going to get this, and we're just going to go ahead and open a new database. Click OK. And we have a new file. Yay! Back to our spreadsheet. Again, we're just going to take the data first, not the titles, just the data. Right-click, copy. Bounce back over to this one. Cell A1, pasty. And we're supposed to rename this. I already forgot. What are we supposed to rename this? Week 1 practice file. Okay, week 1 practice. So let's save as, and we'll put it where the class is. So week 1 practice. I even spelled it right. Yay me. Save. All right, let's go ahead and get the variable names. We don't want them to be that. So back to the sheet. What I do is highlight the row, right-click, copy, pick a cell, any cell, right-click, paste, transpose. These are not ready for SPSS. First of all, no weird symbols like the tic-tac-toe. Course is okay. Test 01, we have to get rid of that space by putting an underscore. Same with 2. Remember, no spaces in SPSS variable names. It doesn't like it. And test final exam. No spaces, no weird symbols. So we right-click, copy, bounce back over, paste, boom, good. So ID is just an ID number. And I'm just going to cut and paste these. You don't even have to cut and paste those. If they're not there, they simply show up as is. Not a biggie. So our ID number, we really don't care what that is. That's just an ID number. Course string, that's what we're going to fix. Okay, so let's fix that now. So let's make English 1, Math 2, Science 3, Social Studies 4. And we're going to fix that variable into a numeric. And it is a nominal, so let's name the noms. 1 was English. Add 2 was math, my favorite. It should have been number 1, but 3 was science. 4 was social studies. Boom. So now we have a categorical variable called course. Let's double check. Yep. Okay. I'm going to clean up the decimals because that's just me. You don't have to do that. And I'm going to center a lot of these. Center. So let me show you a trick here. You can hit Control C and then Control V. It should change them all to center. And of course it didn't. So just go ahead and do them one at a time. Except for the first row, I like them on the right hand side. That's just me. And okay, it looks good to me. Moving on, what's the next question? So we fix the course variable, change variable to final exam into a nominal variable. Okay, I can do that. So we're going to change this into, we're going to create a new variable that has a low, medium, and high, or a low, medium, good scores. So we're going to go to transform. You can recode it into the same variable if you want, but again, I always keep the original variable, so I'm going to recode into a different variable, and I'm going to call it final low, mid, high. You got to put that in a label too, or it will not let you pass. Change. So we're going to fix the values. So what did we say? Let's take a look. I already forgot. We want less than 60, 0, 60 to 80 medium, and over 80 is good. So let's start with our lowest. Our lowest value is going to be 0 through 60. Actually, it's going to be through 59. That's going to be our low value. We'll mark them with a 1. Add. Next, we're going to go to the highest, and we said all the way down to 80, but this one's going to be 81. Those are going to be our high scores. Add, and all the other values are stuck in the middle. That'll be a 2. Add. Click continue. Click OK. Double check your variables. And there it is right there. Okay, so let me clean that up. Put you in the middle. No decimals. Ta-da. So 3 is high, 2 is medium, 1 is low. Let's go back and fix this bad boy. 1 means low. Add 2 means medium. Add 3 means good or high or whatever you want to call it. Okay. Good. We're golden so far. What comes next? Find the mean, standard deviation. So descriptive statistics from our data set. That should be pretty easy. We're going to go to Analyze. Descriptive statistics. I'm going to just go to descriptives this time. And he wants all the tests and the final exam. We want the mean, standard deviation. We'll take the minimum and the max, don't care. And click continue, click OK. So there's all our means, minimums, and maximums and standard deviations for all the tests. And I believe the last one is to export this as a MS document. So we're going to go to File, Export. And this tells you where to put it. Put it in the right folder. Get in there, you. And this will be week 1 practice assignment. Boom. Click OK. I want you to go back and double check this. Open up your file here. There it is way down here. So get rid of that stuff. Don't need the first box here. Click, right click, cut. Keep this code because it has the name of the file in it in case you forget. There's your stuff right there. You're going to go back up to Save As because when it comes out of SPSS, it is an RTF. Just turn around and save it as a docx. Click Save. You are done. All right, so I hope you guys learn these basics. MGZ out.